Welcome back. Today we're making an Asian-inspired beef vermicelli bowl. It's quick and easy, one of my favorite summertime recipes. It's one pan, not a lot of prep, and full of flavor. It's on your table in under 30 minutes, 20 minutes if you're a fast chopper, and you're gonna love it. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it.
Let's start by making our sauce, and we're going to start with a 1/3 cup of water and add in some light sodium soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, sesame oil, fish sauce, sriracha, brown sugar, and cornstarch. We're going to give it a good mix until all of the cornstarch is fully incorporated and set it aside. I'm using both the white parts and the green parts of our scallions. Just give it a nice chop and
oh no!
Oops, man down. Chop it and set it aside. Add in some sesame oil and heat your pan on medium heat. I'm using organic grass-fed beef, but you can sub with ground turkey or ground chicken or even pork. And I just made a little space to saute the white part of my scallions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Mix in the scallions with the beef and add in the crushed garlic and ginger once the meat is mostly cooked. You're also going to add in some onion and garlic powder and saute for about 2 minutes. Turn the heat to medium-low and add in the sauce and saute for about a minute until it's fully incorporated. You're then going to add in the shaved carrots. I'm using pre-shaved carrots just to save time, but you can also just make it on your own. Saute for about another 2 to 3 minutes until all of the sauce is incorporated with the carrots. And I don't want to overcook it because I like the crunch that the carrots give this dish. And then you're going to top it with some fresh cilantro. If you do not like cilantro, you can definitely replace it with parsley. And I also added in some fresh basil. Top with your green scallions, cover, and remove from the heat. For the vermicelli, you can make it in the beginning or the end to make it quicker, but you just want to start with some boiling water. Place the vermicelli in a large, deep bowl, and you just need enough water to fully cover the noodles. You're going to give that a stir and let it sit for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're fully cooked like this. To plate my noodles, I like to plate it by starting with the vermicelli, and then I top it with my stir-fried beef, a generous serving. My kids do like to mix it all together, but this is how I like mine, with extra sauce, and then I top it with some more green scallions, and I love adding crispy garlic.
Can't wait to dig into this. Just bring it closer so I don't make a mess, but you guys won't judge me, right? I love vermicelli noodles. So I usually order a version of this when I go to Vietnamese restaurants, but the noodles are served cold. So I decided to do a little mishmash of it with some warm beef, and man, it's delicious. Bon appetit!